Okay, let's open Potastic pressure cooker. I have used other electric rice cookers, but I wanted to try something different, and this definitely, so see, this comes with like seal. It's good. I definitely know that it's not used. Oh. 100% satisfaction guarantee. That's good. That's what everyone is looking for. Wow. It's a 10-in-1 multifunctional. Let's see. What all can we prepare? Comes with nice packing. Alright. It comes with a menu, user manual. So that's a good thing. Seal. There's a ring. And then there goes the cooker. Yep. Ooh. Wow. I have heard this from many people that they didn't know that you can place this here while you're cooking. Right? And this one, it has the silicone gloves. It's good. This can be really, really useful. The hole is good. I love that. And yeah, measuring cup, spoon, and this should go somewhere here so that when there is a vapor released or steam released, rather, you can fit it here. So okay, so this is push. And then this is the power card, and this is for adding everything. And inside it has steam. Then we put it here, and then let us see what all options they have. Let us plug in. Yeah. Let's see. The power cord. Okay. Not difficult. So now you can see it has the poultry option. Poultry. Then there is meat, bean, chilies, soup, rice, multigrain. You can select the pressure level. I can turn on. So since I have used so many pressure cookers, I really don't mind. So you can see that it's off. Now you can click on start. Where's that? Yep. So pressure cook, and you can select keep warm. If you want to go back, keep warm. It keeps the food warm. I'll move a little back so that you can see the buttons. So this one is a keep warm, and you can also delay timer, where it is like how much delay or you want to cook. And then there's a saute. Once it's heated, it becomes heat. And then I always prefer this cancel button whenever I do something. You know, if I want to go back, just start from the basics. So this is sterilize. You can put your vegetables or whatever in there. So this is really useful. And there is eggs. One of the really interesting features of these electric cookers are boiling eggs. 4 minutes and 2 minutes, wait for the pressure to cool off, and then quick release, you'll have your eggs ready. I'll do another video cooking some dish and share it, but this is how it looks unboxing the Potastic. Thank you.